Boost your English. Define, classify, and think critically. Hello learners. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to delve deep into a fascinating area of academic and professional vocabulary: defining and classifying. And we're not stopping there. We will also see how this plays a key role in critical thinking and problem solving. So, let's jump right in. Defining and classifying are essential skills in academic and professional English. Defining is about giving the precise meaning of a term or a concept. It often involves giving a clear, concise explanation or description of something. Classifying, on the other hand, involves putting things into categories or groups based on common characteristics. For example, if we take the word apple, we could define it as a round fruit from the apple tree, known for its crisp texture and sweet or tart taste. And we could classify it by putting it into the category of fruits. Now, you may wonder, how does defining and classifying contribute to critical thinking? Well, defining helps us to clarify concepts and ideas. It allows us to understand precisely what we are discussing or thinking about, which is crucial in logical reasoning and problem solving. Classifying, in turn, helps us to organize our thoughts and ideas. By grouping similar items or ideas together, we can see patterns and connections that may not be obvious at first. This is an essential step in analyzing complex problems and developing effective solutions. Let's move on to some practical applications of these concepts. In your academic or professional life, you might be asked to define a problem or classify different types of solutions. For example, let's say you're tasked with improving the customer service experience in your company. You could start by defining the current problems, perhaps long waiting times, insufficient information, or poor communication. Then, you might classify possible solutions. Maybe some solutions are technological, like implementing a new customer service software. Others might be related to personnel, like additional training for staff. To hone your skills, try the following exercise. 1. Define the concept of sustainability. 2. Classify various practices into sustainable and unsustainable. Don't be afraid to research and refine your definitions and classifications as you learn more. And that wraps up our session for today. Remember, defining and classifying are not just academic exercises. They're practical tools for critical thinking and problem solving that you can apply in your daily life. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using these skills naturally and effectively. Until our next English language adventure, keep learning and stay curious.